Sometimes we hope that things go easy, as you might see, um, using the equipment. But the nature of wood is that it has these accidents happen, and it's part of the nature. Um, so what we see here is that this piece broke as I was dry fitting, and now I have to glue it. You can see my piece that I was putting together. So now what I'm going to do is, fortunately, we have super glue and the accelerator that we're going to be using to repair this crack. Now we're just going to let it dry a little bit there so we can keep dry fitting our pieces. Also, one more time, Gorilla Glue came to the rescue. This is super glue that you should have in your shop for these type of situations.